Hey there, software testing superheroes. I bet you know the struggle of trying to keep up with the lightning fast pace of software development, right? Traditional testing approaches might leave you feeling like you're running on a never-ending treadmill. But continuous automation testing tools are here to save the day, and I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through some of the best continuous automation testing tools out there. Tools that can supercharge your QA processes, making them quicker and even better. Why should you even bother with test automation? Well, let me break it down for you. Imagine you're on a road trip. Continuous automation testing is like your trusted GPS that's running non-stop throughout your journey, making sure you're always on the right path. Just as your GPS reroutes you instantly when you take a wrong turn, continuous testing is all about running automated tests at every stage of the software development lifecycle, alerting the development team ASAP if there's a glitch in the system. So, continuous automation testing is not just a trend, it's a lifesaver in our fast-paced world of software development. It's the superhero cape that helps you catch those bugs before they wreak havoc. What are the other advantages this game-changing approach brings to the software testing world? Speed. When it comes to feedback, speed is key, right? Who wants to twiddle their thumbs waiting for results? With continuous automation testing, we're talking about getting feedback in minutes. Now that's fast food service. Your developers get the info they need, enabling them to make necessary changes lickety-split. Coverage with automation testing, it's like you're donning a superhero cape, allowing you to create comprehensive test suites that cover a myriad of scenarios. The result? Fewer pesky bugs slipping through the cracks. Consistency. Ever had those days when your coffee just didn't kick in and you made a couple of errors? We all have those days. But here's the good news. Automation testing doesn't. It's on the ball every time, eliminating human error and delivering solid, consistent results. Catching bugs early in the development cycle. That's right. Automation testing is like having a bug detector superpower, spotting those bugs when they're just tiny nuisances before they get a chance to become supervillains, saving some serious resources. Automation testing cuts down on manual testing costs and saves you a heap of time. Now, who doesn't love saving time and money? For maximum efficiency and to truly supercharge your work, you'll want to arm yourselves with the best of the best in continuous integration automation testing tools. So I prepared a top-tier list of the 5 most incredible tools that you absolutely must try. But before we move on, here's a little reminder. If you're hungry for more content on software testing and QA management, subscribing to the AquaCloud channel is a must. Hit the subscribe button and become an integral part of our thriving testing community. And now let's talk about the 5 best tools for continuous automation testing. Number 1, Aqua. This test management solution comes packed with features designed to help you orchestrate your software testing process like a maestro. It brilliantly bridges the gap with third-party automation tools, including Selenium, JMeter, Ranorex, and SOAP UI, and even offers a REST API to connect any solution of your choice. In the pros corner, we have Aqua as an all-in-all solution, managing both your manual and automated tests, providing a one-stop platform for your entire QA process. It also brings to the table its unique AI functionality, automating the creation of manual tests. How cool is that? And let's not forget about the ALM functionality that lets you manage testing and your entire project in one fell swoop. Now on to the cons corner. Aqua does require third-party software for test automation. But hey, that's not a deal breaker, right? It also sports visuals from the mid-2010s, so if you're into the latest UI trends, you might find it a bit nostalgic. However, the Aqua Cloud team has announced that they are currently working on redesigning the tool. And I'm really excited to see how it will turn out. So let's wait for this update. So if you are after a robust, secure and cloud-based platform to streamline your continuous automation testing, give Aqua Cloud a whirl. Aqua Cloud is the best solution for large companies that need to manage a lot of data and large teams, as well as for those who need to be compliant, as Aqua meets all regulatory requirements. Number 2, Jenkins. Jenkins is a truly noteworthy open source continuous integration tool that works to automate your software development process. This tool is not only highly customizable, but it's also a tried and true solution when it comes to testing, deploying, and building software. Plus, it also comes with a ton of plugins to supercharge your development process. Jenkins comes with a level of customizability that will make your head spin, thanks to a wide range of plugins. It happily supports various operation systems and platforms, and it offers a centralized dashboard to keep an eye on all your builds, tests and deployments. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. However, getting Jenkins set up and configured can feel a bit like wrestling an alligator. It's a tad complex initially. It also demands a fair bit of technical know-how for efficient usage. And depending on the number and complexity of the jobs being run, it can be a bit of a resource hog. But remember, no tool is perfect, and the strengths of Jenkins far outweighs its drawbacks. So if you are in search of a powerhouse of a tool that can handle all your continuous integration needs, Jenkins might just be your new best friend. Number 3, Appium. Appium is an open source tool designed with a laser focus on automating your mobile app testing. This brilliant tool allows developers to test mobile apps across a variety of platforms, devices, and operating systems. It's like having a universal translator for mobile app testing. Appium is like that best friend who gets along with everyone. It supports both Android and iOS, making it your go-to buddy for mobile app testing. It's all about cross-platform testing capabilities, avoiding the need for any redundant QA work. And as if that wasn't enough, Appium also supports a host of programming languages and frameworks. But let's get real and talk about the cons. With Appium, you'll need to flex those coding muscles because its tests do require some coding. When it comes to test execution, Appium might take its sweet time. It can be a bit slower, and depending on how complex your app is, Debugging tests might feel like solving a Rubik's Cube. But don't let these cons discourage you. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Appium is a fantastic tool for mobile app testing, and with a bit of patience and coding know-how, you can truly make it shine. Number 4, Selenium. This fantastic open source tool has been designed with one mission in mind: to automate web browsers and applications. It's like the Swiss Army knife of continuous automation testing tools, supporting a range of programming languages and platforms. And it doesn't stop there. Selenium also brings to the table features like browser automation, mobile testing, and cross-browser testing. Let's dive straight into the pros. Firstly, Selenium comes with 0 licensing costs. That's right, 0. It also offers cross-browser and mobile testing capabilities, making it your trusty sidekick for versatile testing. And let's not forget its robust automation testing support. However, no tool is perfect, so let's address the cons. Selenium follows a script-based approach, which may slow down your test development. It also requires some tender, loving care, with regular maintenance needed to keep your test environment stable. One more thing, it's strictly limited to web applications. But don't despair. Despite these cons, Selenium is still a strong player in the automation testing arena. Number 5, Test Complete. Test Complete is a pretty powerful tool that's all about automating the testing for web, mobile, and even desktop applications. It's also pretty savvy, supporting different programming languages and supporting features like keyword testing, record and replay, and visual testing. Test Complete is like a polyglot, supporting multiple languages. It's also incredibly inclusive, offering support for a wide variety of applications, including mobile, web, and desktop. And if you're a newbie to testing, no worries. Test Complete is as easy to understand as your favorite comic book. But just like our favorite superhero has their weaknesses, Test Complete does come with a few cons. Test Complete comes with a price tag that might make it more suitable for bigger companies. Each user will need a license to operate the tool, and it can be a bit of a diva when dealing with multiple screens. But don't let these cons dissuade you. Test Complete is still a truly worthy contender in the field of automation testing. In a nutshell, continuous automation testing is a game changer. Tools like Selenium, Jenkins, and Appium are paving the way, helping you automate your QA to save both time and money. The perfect tool for you? Well, it depends on your budget, project scope, and specific needs. You can also read about 2 more continuous automation tools in the blog post. I'll leave the link in the video description. So give them a try and see which one fits your requirements best. Make sure you subscribe to the Aqua Cloud YouTube channel to gain further insights and keep up with the latest testing advancements. Happy testing, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye!